Hey trader, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you guys how to trade binary options and also share with you the most profitable trading strategies. By the way, for free, and this video is not gonna be an exception, so watch till the end and check it out yourself. So let's get started, guys. So let's start our trading session. We are gonna open position for the maximum deposit amount. We trade on a 1 minute time frame, so let's pick the currency pairs with the best payout rate. I think this one should be an out, and let's pick our indicators for today. I guess the Bollinger Band in combination with RSI. So we are gonna use this setup of indicators today. And don't forget to set the period to 13 and the deviation to on the Bollinger Bands, and also set the period to 13 on the RSI, so we got it. So let's get down to trading and find the better currency pair. So let's start analyzing here. There we go. We see nice trade entry, and let's open a short position. Take a look at here. We see the touch of the upper boundary of the channel on the Bollinger. It tells us that the price should reverse to the downside, the downward dynamics, and takes place. And look at this huge pump that is typical for this movement, and basically this pump should be over by now. Our two signals confirm that. Also, if you look at the RSI, the reversal is also expected here. That's why we opened the short position. And the price remaining at the same level, around the trade entry level, but I think we are gonna see the breakout at the end, and we will end up in profits. We have some extra time. So let's watch. Looks really close. And yes, the first one is in the profits. Excellent trade entry, guys. So it was close, position and up in profits anyway. We calculated that perfectly. Our signal played out, so the first one is in the profits, and let's get find another currency pair. Let's open a long here. I think this is also a good one, but this time we are expecting the price to go up. It's all the same here. The upper dynamics, the touch of the lower boundary of the channel is happening. Theoretically, the support zone is playing out. Here we can also observe a good correction from this level. And basically there is a minimum point on the RSI for a long time, and the breakout is likely to happen, and the price should go up. Basically, the breakout has already happened, and let's watch the next price movement. There are 10 seconds left before the closing, and let's simply wait. The second one has been closed with a profit. As you can see, everything is absolutely clear and simple. Let's open a long here. I will point out the workspace, quite good payout rate and nice trade entry, I guess. We are not looking at the RSI now, because here is the sideways prevails, no crossing. Here we observe a good correction to the downside overall, and we can see that this is the uptrend. The updating of the local highs and lows take place. We can also see several breakouts above the line here, and basically this is quite simple. After this pullback, the touch right here, I think the breakout to the upside is imminent. That's why we opened the long position, guys. The breakout is gaining moments, by the way, because here is the uptrend, and after previous correction, breakout followed up every time. I don't think that there is gonna be an exception. And another position is in a profit, guys. Perfectly calculated as usual, and there is no tapping here. Let's find the next counter pair. Carry on the analysis and find the better trade entry. Let's open a long position here. We've already found a good trade entry Previously the price were moving in this down sideways, then the strong correction followed up. The local low was updated, and basically we can point out some kind of triangle here. Now the price is going up to its recovery. Look at this small correction that is typical for this movement. This correction is similar to that one, and I'm sure after this correction the price is gonna go up. Also there were no crossing on the RSI, so double signal, guys, to open the long here. We already have a nice breakout here. I think it was correct trade entry, and the crossing on the RSI just happened here, and the volatility is getting low now. No big deal. And yes, so let's refresh the page. We are good. Let's continue our trading session and find the next currency pair. So we just updated the trade amount, and let's find the better payout rate. The touch of this zone did happen here, and we can already see the breakout. Theoretically, the breakout could gain moments in the short term, but I'd raise the weight for the price to go singly lower. That's why I'll open a short position following the trend direction. The simulation is similar, but in reverse, set with our triangle here, and look at these levels that we saw previously. The touch of this zone did happen here, and the price should go lower then. The local highs was updated here, and then we observed huge corrections, and a little pullback was formed here, after which I am expecting to see the price going lower, and the position should be in profits. Because the price should reach the support zone first and only then change its direction in theory. And another position had been closed with a profit, guys. So let's open two long positions here, good trade entries, I guess. So take a look on the upward dynamics prevails here. Let's point out the previous price range, the price corridor took place here. Then I guess you got it from the previous trades. Touch did happen here, and the quite good correction right after that. Now the price remains at this level, and it could indicate that the price will go up in the short term. That's why we open a long position here, and we already see a good breakout. The price rebound has also happened here, because the correction was quite noticeable, and the price was holding at the same level. We see that this candle have long shadows. And I guess we got a few more trades and profits, guys. We got $3,700 on the balance. So we're not gonna drag this out. Let's find the next trade entry. We are looking for the most profitable payout rates. Let's open 3 short positions here. Again, we open with the trend direction. Let's point out this price range. And also take a look at this range. Basically the touch that happened here, after which the price went up a little, but after this high volatility candle I'm expecting the price to go lower. So I'm expecting the price to go lower. That's why we open our short position. We already see long shadow, and I'm expecting to see the breakdown, and the position should end up in profit, guys. There are around 10 seconds left before the closing, and there is absolutely nothing to worry about. And yep, guys, like I said, absolutely nothing to worry about. We have eventually caught the breakout here, and the position had been closed with a profit. There is no stopping here, we are gonna open a few more positions and let's change the currency pair for that. Let's also find the better payout rate. Let's continue analyzing and find the most promising currency pair. And we see that the price started moving up here. The correction is over here, finally that's why we open 6 long positions here. Let's point out this important price range. Let me explain this price movement. We see this pullback from this level, this updating of the local high. And then this massive jump. The price entered this price range again. And now we see more upward dynamics here, that's why I am sure that the pump is imminent here, that's why we open our long position following the trend direction. And we can already see a nice breakout. Actually we can see similar pump here on this level and we see the same thing, so there was no mistake again. And we got almost $12,000 on the balance. Excellent outcome, I am happy to see that. So let's call it a night, guys, and this is where we stop for today, and let's get down to withdrawal. Let's put down $11,700 here. Press the continue button and our transaction is being processed. We got $156 left on the balance. I'll attach the screen where it's done. So thank you guys for watching. You see what we got today, great outcome. So put your likes, press the like button, so leave the comments down below and subscribe to the channel. Share your thoughts on the strategy in the comments, and bye bye.